Here I have LG K22, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, languages and input, languages, add a language. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up this device. As you can see, it's pretty enormous. Whoa, so much languages, so many. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, and then to change Ukrainian to system language, you have to drag it on the first place, and language will be changed to Ukrainian automatically. If you want to change it back to English, you just have to go to the налаштування, система, мова та ведення, мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.